Welcome to Soul Energy Rising. We're here today to talk a little bit about some copper and some creations that we have that may be helpful to you and the people around you. My first learning is that everything is polarized. So we take this piece of wire, and on this side, the pendulum is revolving in a clockwise fashion. On that side, the pendulum is swirling counterclockwise. So we have basically a positive and a negative end. That's not good and bad. It just means the energy is flowing from one end to the other. So pretty much everything is polarized. If we take this pair of nail clippers, that side, the pendulum is moving in a clockwise direction. On this side, the pendulum is moving in a counterclockwise direction. And you can pretty much play that game with anything. A spoon, a fork, a knife. Now here's just a rough copper circle. On this side of the circle, the pendulum is revolving to the right. On this side of the circle, the pendulum revolves to the left. Now, Slim Sperling discovered the fact that if you took a piece of wire and you twisted it and folded it in half, that both sides of the circle would go to the right, meaning that energy was floating out in a positive fashion from both sides of the ring. So what does that mean? You have to imagine that there's a spider web inside this ring. It's called a torsion ring. And the spider web is bubbling out maybe 1,000,000 bubbles an hour. And they're benevolent bubbles that do magical things. One of the suggestions is that you use this to treat your food and water to up-level it. So I put a ring at my refrigerator to see what would happen and see if it improved the quality or longevity of my food. I can't say I noticed anything happen with the food, but my refrigerator door had never worked exactly right, and now it does. So it's kind of anything can happen. And it's just benevolent energy that will improve your life and change it for the better.